Hello traders. Today is the first trading day of the week 15th of September 2025, Monday. What a blessing beginning of the week, guys. Amazing trade, guys. We have seen amazing analysis and beautiful, especially the gold. Most of the even one of the traders bank around about 6 to 700 pips today. Just every time when there's dip, buying. Now let me share with you how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit, guys. Let's look at the analysis. So if you look at the pound dollar, guys, we were expecting a one more push to the upside. If you look at, we have this impulsive, we have this correction, and after that we were looking this breakout. So we had London morning, beautiful breakout. After that, price nicely broken and retest. We also had a pullback, and as mentioned, my trader, if the price is going to develop another pullback, keep enjoying it. So we at the New York session, we also had a pullback. Now let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exit. That was the pretty straightforward we had this morning. You can see here, this is what we explained. High probability momentum was bullish. As mentioned, high probability pullback long. Any pullback, that's the first priority, or if the price can break the recent high. You can see here in 4 hour price nicely broken. Even in intraday, we have this beautiful pullback around this level. You can see here. Later on, the price nicely broken. We have all pullbacks. We have beautiful. As soon as the price hit the previous high, and this is what exactly we mentioned, our traders time to bank some profit. So pretty straightforward. After banking some profit, we were looking one more push pullback. So we did this at the New York session analysis, which is the pretty straightforward, and most of it is still holding. Expecting here another pullback. We're only going to take a short if the price can break this previous high and give us the confirmation. As you can see, a price nicely developed pullback. Momentum was bullish. Another long trade on pound dollar. All right, so let's look at the Euro USD, guys. And if you look at the Euro USD, we had a pretty straightforward, more or less the same pattern we had like a pound dollar. We have this impulsive, we have this correction. So price nicely respected and beautiful long trade here. That was a beautiful trade we had it. And if you look at here, we had pretty straightforward. We did this, in the London, this European Open session. We had a pretty straightforward looking for this breakout. Price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. Another pullback, hit to the profit target, bank some profit. And after banking some profit, pretty straightforward. As mentioned, look for another pullback around this level. So we had at the New York session, we have another pullback was performed, which is a pretty straightforward looking for any pullback as mentioned here. We had this beautiful pullback is performing. Trade is still holding long on Euro USD. So the best trade we had, and most of the traders squeezed really amazing profit. That is the gold. Let me share with you guys. We all we mentioned all over traders just every time when there's a dip in gold, just keep buying it. We were expecting around about 3750. We'll see if the price gonna hit. Before we had 3650 price nicely hit. This is the area we explain our trader nicely big. And if you look at the price action, the most key important thing, that's what we explain our trader, the price action. We have this impulsive reaction. You can see here after that the price developed correction. So looking at pullback. So and if you look at the previous price action, which give us the high probability and confirmation. You can see here the price tried to broken this one, price refused to stay below this level, price come back and give us the confirmation, and that is the confirmation. As long as price does not break this level, guys, just keep taking a pullback. So we had amazing trade, guys, on gold. Another way to look at, which we explain over here, we have this impulsive, we have this correction and looking for one more push. So if you look at all over analysis, beautiful. Let's look at we had this beautiful, pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful breakout and squeeze amazing profit. And we also had a counter short trade here. Let me show you guys one counter short trade we had amazing. Because if you look at here the price, because we are intraday trader, as we're looking here, we also had this counter short trade here. Let me share with you one of the counter short trades. So this is, you can see, a pretty straightforward based on the price action. As mentioned, trader price refused to respect this level. As mentioned here, look for this breakout. After this breakout, a counter breakout. Mainly we were interested in long on every dip was give us another opportunity for buy. So we have this beautiful long trade here at the New York session. Pretty straightforward. Price develop impulsive reaction, correction, and then we have breakout and give us the confirmation. Amazing trade, guys. The last trade we had it, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see here, amazing. Price develop another flag pattern, high probability for long, as soon as the price broke. If you look at the bottom, the momentum was very strong bullish and bias was long, as I mentioned. Every time when the price hit this orange EMA, buy, buy. And even this one, which I mentioned, one more push to the buy. As soon as the price hit to a certain profit target, and that's what it suggests to our trader, it's time to bank some profit on and on gold. So we had amazing trade, guys. Gold, beautiful, beautiful. I really enjoyed it today, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're going to be enjoying it and loving it when you see it in real time. So, most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.